Well, hello everybody. So it's been a little bit of a gap from traveling in the bus. Today's video is going to be the bus fare up to the end of the bus fare. Right after I get this video finished, exported, uploaded, I'm starting on the next video. Basically, over the next couple days, my main priority is just to get everything caught up, get the videos up to present day. Got a lot of fun projects coming up, a lot of cool things happening. While I'm here in Indiana, I'm going to be basically going over different aspects of the rig. For example, the tow kit, how I have specific things set up in here. So if you do have any questions, if there's anything about this setup that you have questions about, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm going to be, like I said, making videos on every little aspect of the bus. To be honest, I don't know what the footage is going to look like after this because I was pretty much filming non-stop. It was just traveling in the bus, me holding the camera saying, hey, here I am, now I'm going here. So I honestly don't even know if that's going to be worth posting, but I'll go ahead and look at that footage, get that edited. Hopefully you all like it. Welcome to all the new subscribers. The video, the build video from basically when I picked it up to pretty much where it's at now, it keeps doing pretty well. So there's a lot of new people. Welcome to all the new people, and we will catch you within the next couple days.
Good morning, everybody. Man, I pushed it pretty hard last night. Not incorrigible. But right now I am going through the bus, starting here in the front. Gonna start cleaning and work my way to the back of the bus. Show is in, just to be there in 2 days. I got about, I think it was 6 hours left to drive. I'm actually considering just hanging out here all day. It's a very, very beautiful rest area. The roads and the diesel price here in California is not good, but goodness, they do have some good rest areas. So just go through the bus, do a deep clean. Once again, I've realized once I started painting everything, started getting this, looking a little bit more organized and finished, I have found myself wanting to clean more, which, makes sense. Before it was just like almost a construction zone. Just felt as though, it's a construction zone, why pretty it up? But now we're getting there. But I'll show you what the element looks like back here. Still trying to figure out a name for the rig. And I haven't tried to start it, make sure the transmission's good yet. I was gonna go to the grocery store, but don't necessarily need anything. I just kind of wanted to drive the car. But yeah, check her out. On to Element. So I went with Roadmaster. Got the Nighthawk tow bar on the front. They did have to take the front grille cover off, which, be nice to have it on there, but I don't necessarily need it. Tow shop did a custom hitch. Pretty awesome looking rig. I do have a backup camera. I need to get it installed. It'd be nice to see what's back there. I literally pulled over to make sure that it was back there because I couldn't see anything. And I just drove it, like making sure everything was good. So I pulled over on the side of the highway and just looked back here and made sure that the element was still here. But yeah, the bus doesn't even notice it's there. Like I can feel it moving around a little bit, but to be honest, the bus in terms of acceleration and braking, can't even tell it's there. It does have a brake assist on there, but that's more for legal reasons than the bus actually needing it. There's no way the bus, like I said, it doesn't even realize it's there. But I am excited to get this thing unhooked, make sure the transmission's good. Same thing happened with the car that G and I towed, to the point to where the first time I unhooked it, started it up, made sure the transmission was good. It's just always a little nerve-wracking with these Hondas because I have to do the same sequence that I did with the Accord, where I have to put it in first, second, third drive, then neutral, and let it idle for 3 minutes. So Kobe's just ate not too long ago, And then we're just gonna be hanging out outside. Probably bring my laptop, get some work done out there, let him hang out in the grass. It is so much nicer here. Like, it's probably high 60s, low 70s here. Whereas at 9:30 in the morning down in Fresno, it was already up to like 85, 90. So glad we made it this far north. Gonna get to work cleaning this bus.
I go if it's time to die. If I got to, and I'll scream if I want to, but I won't leave without you. 'Cause we're all one, looking for somebody else. And all this joy has been worth the hurt that I've felt.
Made it. I missed the initial turn off, so what happened was the grocery store is right there, and I was looking up there and all the buses are parked over here. I might be able to make it out of that area right there if that truck leaves. I can kind of go at an angle and then out. I think it'll be fine. The element's actually tracking really, really well behind the bus. Like, I hardly even know it's there. So, gonna go say hello to everybody. Okay. Unhooked the tow car, and the transmission worked. So Kobe's and I are gonna drive the bus over. I'm gonna get a ride back with Brad. Probably Brad is on my tiny home tours team. He's gonna be filming for me. He's actually gonna film the tour that I do of this bus. And I unhooked the car just to make sure that I had my angle right here, because you can't back up with the tow bar. Looks like I would have been perfectly fine, but rather be safe than sorry and not block this 4-lane road. Oh yeah, I would have been perfectly fine. But at least I know the transmission's good.
The other side.
At the rest stop, so
Yeah,
that's
just
over.
so take a right down there, and there's like the truck parking.
Okay, thank you.
I'll have Patrick come in when we're ready for you.
All right, thank you. So we got our spots following this bus in. Pretty cool guy. Lives out in the forest. He's a lift operator and mechanic, so he's just living in his bus, saving money, living where he wants to live.
Just right behind him. Does that
All right.
work for you?
Yeah,
Okay. It's much bigger in person.
it's what they all say.
Is this thing automatic or manual?
Light this star, won't you be mine? Light this star, what are you hiding behind? Light this star, I see a flicker of fire, so don't you dare let it expire. Locked in, locked out, and it's so sad. Follows me about, and these chains around my bones, they are all cast